wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best sketchpads. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with its thick off-white A4 pages, the Belofi Pro is good for large drawings. The durable spiral binding on top suits left and right-handed artists, and the recycled paper is free of acid and versatile enough for students and amateur illustrators. The smooth surface absorbs color readily, and your satisfaction is guaranteed. However, it's not professional grade. At number 9, if you need a cost-efficient option for quick studies and experimentation, you'll appreciate the Artist Choice 2-pack. Each pad has 75 sheets that are pH neutral, so they won't yellow over time, with a subtle tooth that supports graphite particularly well. The pages are smudge resistant and the binding doesn't impede your drawing, but these aren't ideal for completed works. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Canson Universal is a quality selection appropriate for drafting and capturing ideas. Its surface is well suited to charcoal and pencil, and it's also available in a landscape orientation. It comes with perforated pages and is finely textured, however you can't use it with wet media. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sketchpads, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a resilient travel companion, the Handbook Journal Company Travelog has an aesthetically pleasing hardbound design with an elastic closure that doubles as a bookmark and a translucent plastic sleeve built into the back for handy storage. It sports attractive rounded corners and works especially well with acrylics, but it can warp with watercolors. Moving up our list to number 6. The Strathmore Tone Tan includes 50 sheets of heavyweight acid-free paper that are 100% recycled, with bark and craft inclusions for an appealing look. Its warm coloring provides an alternative to standard white and helps to highlight shadow work. This one's best for intermediate users and is environmentally friendly. However, it's a bit small for some projects. Halfway up our list at number 5, available in a variety of formats to suit any artistic endeavor, the Pentalic Traditional has a tough embossed leatherette cover that protects its 110 bright white pages. The sturdy spine keeps them from sliding around. It's designed to lie completely flat, and the smooth texture is great for ink. There's a sustainable bamboo version too. At number 4, your preliminary sketches and quick studies will find a home in the Strathmore 400 series, an option that won't break the bank. It offers a fine-tooth surface and is an excellent choice for classroom use and experimentation. It features a double spiral binding and a chipboard backing, however the cover can rip with rough treatment. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Moleskine A4 Watercolor is a sleek choice for professionals and beginners alike. It's made with a durable cover that lies flat and holds 60 acid-free heavyweight sheets with a creamy white coloring. It includes an expandable interior pocket and a removable bookmark. It comes in A3 size as well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sketchpads, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, suitable for students, the Canson XL can support multiple mediums, from pencil and charcoal to acrylics and light ink washes. Its soft cover and spiral binding make it easy to toss in your bag and hit the road, while the perforations let you rip sheets out with ease. It's available in a variety of sizes and offers a great balance of quality and price. It holds up to blending and erasing. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Crescent Render is perfect for those who use markers frequently. This hardbound model has thick, specially designed paper that won't bleed or show through, and heavy-duty binding, making it an effective choice for traveling artists. It's lignin-free for longevity and good for all media types. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sketchpads, or simply click beneath this video.